Hi, my name is Nurhana Nisrin, and today I'm going to share with you guys 2 painless ways to eat more green. If you want to lose weight, or maybe you want to have a healthy baby, or you want to live up to 100, have good luck and try these hacks. So the first hack is to toss them into your smoothie. Green vegetables can work well, especially when masked with chocolate, blueberries, or strawberries. And you can gradually add the green leaf when you get used to the taste of it. The second hack is to replace your banana fritters with your green chips. If you haven't tried kale chips, you're surely missing out. It's just as simple as tearing up the kale, mix it with olive oil, put some salt and pepper, and then fry it in air fryer at 180 degrees for 6 minutes. I hope you can try these hacks at home. Don't forget to post it on Instagram and tag me. That's all. Thank you.